Looking to earn some extra cash while having fun? Check out this free app that lets you make real money by playing video games. It's a sweet deal. Just download the app, pick your favorite games, and start earning. No hidden fees or sketchy stuff, just a simple way to get paid for doing what you love. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Watch the full video now to discover how you can turn your gaming skills into real cash with this awesome free app. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part? You can do this stuff from pretty much anywhere on the planet. It'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way I can whip up some videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. Is gaming your passion? Get paid to do what you love. Check this out. There's this cool free app called Daring Descent where you can actually make some cash just by playing games. No joke. Daring Descent app got a pretty sweet 4.3 star rating, and get this, over 30,500 people have left reviews. That's not even the craziest part. It has been downloaded more than 1 million times. Sounds like it's worth a look, right? Whether you're at home, on the bus, or even on the subway, you can open up the app and start racking up the cash. The more games you unlock, the bigger the cash rewards you can earn. It's basically a way to make money by doing something you probably already enjoy, playing games. They've already handed out a ton of money to regular folks like us who got lucky. Pretty sweet, right? And the best part is, you can cash out your earnings straight to your PayPal account. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn a little extra money, definitely check out Daring Descent. It's a game changer. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.